Meghan Markle a été soutenue par un membre du Congrès américain, qui a qualifié sa dernière décision politique de puissante. This week the 40-year-old former royal issued a letter to US Congress leader to advocate for paid leave for all parents. Meghan Markle has drawn on her status a mum within the campaign Peace and this a call to ensure that millions of American families can access guaranteed paid leave. The mother of two called upon House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senator Chuck Schumer a engaged citizens and parents and identifié how the pandemic has exposed long existing fault lines in our communities. Within the letter, Meghan noted that millions of women dropped out of the workforce at an alarming rate, so that they could care for their children. Her open letter has been praised by Congressman Eric Swalwell, who served in California, and referred to her sentiment as powerful. In a tweet sharing the Croisillon paid leave for all seemed plea from the Duchess of Sussex, he wrote, "It's time American families enjoy what almost every country affords to its citizens, Croisillon paid leave for all." Asterisk read below, emoji pointing down, powerful letter to Congress from Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex. Meghan also reflected on the birth of her and her husband Prince Harry's second child, Lilibet, who was born in June within the peace, noting that they were not confronted with the harsh reality that other parents suffer. The Duchess acknowledged that often parents in situations unlike her are faced to worry about going back to work to provide for their family, and were unable to spend a month at home with their newborn child. "We knew we could take her home, and in that vital and sacred stage, devote any and everything to our kids and to our family. We knew that by doing so we wouldn't have to make impossible choices about childcare, work, and medical care that so many have to make every single day. No family should be faced with these decisions, no family should have to choose between earning a living and having the freedom to take care of their child, or a loved one, or themselves, how we would see with a comprehensive paid leave plan." She also drawn her own childhood experience within the piece, reflecting on how she grew up on the $4. 99 salad bar at Isler but remembered how hard my parents worked to afford it. Within her plea, Meghan said that paid leave for all parents should be a national right like many other countries. She wrote, "Paid leave should be a national right, rather than a patchwork option limited to those whose employers have policies in place, or those who live in one of the few states where a leave program exists." She concluded by saying that this isn't a political issue, and instead has family at the forefront of its cause, and hoped that this shared goal would unite people, regardless of their political leaning. She wrote, "But this isn't about right or left, it's about right or wrong, this is about putting families above politics. And for a refreshing change, it's something we all seem to agree on. It comes that traditionally members of the royal family are politically neutral and do not provide a public opinion on political matters. Since stepping down from royal duties in 2020, Meghan and Harry also stepped into the realm of politics and urged Americans to vote in the US presidential election last November.